Good morning all of you. Now today we are going to discuss about the classification in detail. Each classification in detail about the glycoside. So first classification which we are studying is cardiac glycosides or sterols. Cardiac glycoside or sterols is also known as a cardiotonic. As the name suggests, cardiac glycoside because they are used in heart disease, heart problem, and because of that the name cardiac glycosides are given. And sterol because the cardiac glycoside in which aglycone part which have a cardiac effect, and for the sterol the aglycone part have a steroidal structure, and because of that the two names are given cardiac glycoside because aglycone part have a effect on a heart. Its mechanism, its pharmacological action is on heart. Okay, because of that it is known as a cardiac glycoside. And sterol because their structure is as that of steroids, it is known as a sterol. Also known as a cardiotonic because it is tonic towards the heart, used in a heart disease. Why? First we have to study mechanism of action, why it is used in a heart problem, because they have positive inotropic effect. So it is increase intracellular calcium ion level. Second, it increase because of calcium level increase, it increase the force of contractions. Okay, so it increase systolic contractions. Okay, and also inhibit Na plus K plus ATPase pump. So ion exchange is inhibited. So it inhibit Na plus K plus ATPase pump and increase calcium level. So aglycone part which is a cardiotonic effect and aglycone part which is steroidal moiety. And because of that it is known as a cardiac glycoside and sterol. Now this cardiac glycoside they are divided into the two parts. One is a cardenolide and second is a bufadienolide. So here cardiac glycoside is further divided into the two types. The steroidal structure it is divided into two types, cardenolide and bufadienolide. So some glycosidic drug which is come into the cardiac glycoside, some are cardenolide effect and some have a bufadienolide effect. Now in a detailed study about the cardiac glycoside, in which I am already told you that cardiac glycoside which is divided into two parts, cardenolide and bufadienolide. So it is very important in cardiac glycoside to study detail about the cardenolide and bufadienolide and their difference. Very important. Okay. So cardenolide and bufadienolide. Cardenolide and bufadienolide both are come into the class of cardiac glycoside. Because of this cardiac glycoside, that aglycone part which is a steroidal. Both have a steroidal part. Okay. So here, what is the difference between the cardenolide and bufadienolide? So here it is a structure. First difference is about the structure. The structure of cardenolide and structure of bufadienolide. Now, they are C23 steroids. Why C23? Here, total carbon present in its structure is carbon 23. So they contain 23 carbon. Whether here they are C24 steroidals, means the carbon present is 24. So here C23, here C24. Why? We study later on. They have 5-member ring lepton. So here this is a lepton, this is a steroidal structure, and the steroidal structure is attached with the lepton. Same here, here is a steroidal structure, same structure, but it is contained, it is bind with the lepton. But what is the difference? Difference of the lepton. In cardenolide, the lepton which is present is 5-member ring. Whether in bufadienolide, the lepton is 6-member ring. And because of here 6-member ring, one carbon is more. So C24. And here 5-member ring, because of 5-member ring, one carbon less. 6 carbon, here 5 carbon. Because of that C25 and C24. Why? Lepton ring 5-member, here lepton ring 6-member. Clear? And because of carbon 23 and carbon 24. Now, 5-member lepton ring has a one double bond. This 5-member lepton ring contains only one double bond. Whether in bufadienolide, lepton ring contains two double bond. Clear? This is the third difference. So first, in a difference, you have to draw the structure. In a second difference, they are contain 23 carbon. Here they are contain 24 carbon. Here 5-member ring. Here 6-member ring. Here 5-member ring contain single double bond. 6-member ring contain 2 double bond. Now lactam ring is attached to the steroidal moiety. This lactam ring and steroidal moiety. This is attached on carbon 17. So 17 carbon on which lactam ring is attached with that steroidal part. So C17 position, whether it is beta C17 on a beta position, it is attached. So both have a attached on a 17 carbon through which lactam ring is attached with the steroidal part. On a 17 carbon, lactam ring is attached to the steroidal part in a both, but bufadienolide at the position beta position. Okay, so this is a difference, cardiolide and bufadienolide. Now example, the drug containing cardiolide glycosides are digitalis and strophanthus. These both drugs are found in a class of cardiolide, and in bufadienolide squeal, it is an example of bufadienolide. Okay, so this is an example. Now this is a common difference between the cardiolide and bufadienolide. Now bufadienolide first has been derived from bufalin obtained from skin of toad. From the skin of toad, first bufalin is isolated and the name given from the bufadienolide. Now both cardiolide and bufadienolide, in which the sugar moiety which is attached through C3, third carbon, through which sugar moiety is attached by the beta linkage. So C3 beta linkage. Both sugar moiety is attached through C3 beta linkage. Means the third carbon through at that third carbon the sugar moiety is attached by the beta glycosidic linkage. Sugar are present in cardiac glycosides are glucose, fructose, ramenose, digitalose, cymose, etc. Now sugar do not potentiate the medical or medicinal therapeutic use of the cardiac glycoside or A-glycan part. The sugar which is not increase or enhance the medical or therapeutic use of A-glycan part, but it is useful for solubility of A-glycan part, because the some part of A-glycan part is not easily soluble, but because of the glycan part it increases its solubility, and so it is important in absorption and distribution in the body. When it is going in the body, its absorption and distribution will be increased with the help of the sugar part. Number of hydroxyl group leads quicker onset of action and enhance metabolism. So because of the glucose, and the glucose contain many OH hydroxyl group, and this hydroxyl group, this sugar moiety and the hydroxyl group which help to quicker onset of action, so fast action and enhance metabolism and give good effect, faster effect. So this is all about the cardiolide, steroids, sterol and the bufadienolide and cardiolide. Now moving on to topic chemical taste. Chemical taste of cardiac glycoside. Here by the chemical taste, how we can identify cardiac glycoside. So this is a specific taste only cardiac glycoside give positive. So different type of glycoside and different glycosides in classification, different glycosides have a different identification taste. So for the cardiac glycoside, the identification chemical taste are there are 5 identification chemical tastes. Only cardiac glycosides give positive. Okay. So first is a Lieberman-Bouchard test. In Lieberman-Bouchard test, we take the drug chloroform plus acetic anhydride, add few drop of sulfuric acid from the side, then green color is produced because of steroidal glycoside. Because cardiac glycoside is also known as a steroidal glycoside. Because of the steroidal glycoside, they give green color. Second test, Salkowski reactions or Salkowski test. Salkowski test, in which we take the drug concentrated sulfuric acid in chloroform, red color is produced in chloroform layer because of steroidal glycoside or cardiac glycoside. Third test, Killer-Killarney test. Killer-Killarney test is only deoxy sugar. If present, then it gives positive taste. It is for deoxy sugar.
drug plus alcohol, then filter, take the filtrate, add water and lead acetate, then further filter, take the filtrate, add chloroform, take the chloroform layer, evaporate it, then we get the residue. Take the residue, add glacial acetic acid plus ferric chloride and concentrated H2SO4. Then reddish brown color is produced. The layer is produced between the two liquids. The conjunction, the ring form between the two liquids. Fourth test is a Baljet test. Baljet test, drug plus sodium picrate gives yellow or orange color. And fifth is a legal test in which drug pyridine and sodium nitroprusside plus ammonia means make it alkaline. Pink to red color is produced because of the cardiac glycoside. So all the 5 tests is for cardiac glycoside, only one test. So from the 5 tests, 4 tests are for the cardiac glycoside and one test is for deoxy sugar, identification test for deoxy sugar. So there are 4 tests. This is the identification test, important test for cardiac glycoside, which is Clear-Gland test, Salkowski test, then Lieberman-Bouchard test, Baljet test and legal test. So these 5 tests is the identification test for cardiac glycoside.